there will be no more matriculation exam. And after 2028, there will be no more recruitment of employees in the government sector. সরকার চাকরি আর কোনোভাবে দেওয়া হবে না। আগামী 2028 থেকে ক্লাস 9 থেকে সেমেস্টার সিস্টেম শুরু হতে যাচ্ছে। স্কুলগুলোতে সেমেস্টার সিস্টেম শুরু হবে এবং সরকারের একটাই উদ্দেশ্য আমাদের যুবক যুবতীদের দক্ষ করা এবং টু মেক কম্পিটেন্ট লাইক দ্য ইউথ অফ আদার নেশন কম্পেয়ার টু জাপান, চায়না, তাদের মতো করে টু মেক আর ইউথ স্কিলড। So this Skill India concept has been promoted by Government of India in order to promote and develop skill. আমাদের যে রিসোর্স পারসন দুজনেই খুব ভালো বলে গেছেন, আমাদের রেসপেক্টেড স্যার প্রদীপ স্যার, উনি বলেছেন স্বনির্ভর, হাউ টু বি সেলফ রিলায়েন্ট through self-help group. And we also got stressed on various kind of skill that has been imparted by the Department of Skill. তো স্যার যে দুজনেই স্যার যেটা বলে গেলেন, আমরা যদি এবার থেকে যদি সুযোগ নিয়ে যদি বিভিন্ন স্কিলের দক্ষ না হয়, if we don't become skilled, then we will have problem in future. Because after 2028, these young children who will be given skill education from the school age will be your competent candidate. তখন কি তোমাদের কি হবে, তোমরা গ্রাজুয়েট হবে কিন্তু চাকরি পেতে পারবে না, স্কিলও হয়নি, স্কিল না থাকলে কি হবে, চাকরি পাওয়ার কোনো সুযোগই থাকবে না। So you are the first generation, you are the first generation to be given this privilege and opportunity to learn various skills. Among sir, Roman sir, what is Anwar sir, Anwar Hussain, na? Anwar sir, is it true that when you get training, when you undergo training under Skill India, you are also eligible to apply for various license?
Yes. Yes.
So, if you learn a skill, তোমরা যদি দক্ষ হও, যে কোনো লাইসেন্স পাওয়ার জন্য খুবই খুবই মানে সহজ। If you want to
We can provide a trade license,
driving license.
Yeah, we can provide driving license.
So you see, Skill Indiaর সঙ্গে জড়িত হলে কি হবে? You have legal document. So this is actually the future. They are the future. Skill India is the future of today's young generation. So with this, I just wanted to open up our mind for the young minds so that we take the privilege and opportunity of developing our skill. With this, we come to the end of our today's program, and at the very outset, I'd like to take this privilege and honor of acknowledging our resource persons. They have come all the way from Skill India. Sri Anwar Hussain, he represents skill development government of Tripura. He is the financial expert. Thank you sir for coming and delivering us your ideas. We look forward to engage with you for the betterment of our children's future. We also would like to thank our co-resource person, though rather he preferred to step back and save our time. Raman Chakma. Raman Chakma, thank you sir for coming and gracing our inaugural session. I would also like to thank our another resource person, our senior professor, Sir Pradeep Deborma. Thank you sir for your session and input on women's role in SHGs. Actually, I have also been associated with women SHGs for many years, and I have nearly 1,200 self-help groups, forming them into federations and giving them a lot of microloans. So that is a reflection of my past experience. Thank you, sir, for the self-help group input for the women. I would also like to thank our madam, the coordinator and convener of this workshop. It has been meticulously planned, and we hope for the success of this workshop. And whoever have been enlisted for the course will really benefit to the great extent. Because once you are skilled, you are eligible to be employed. And last but not the least, I would like to thank sincerely and heartily to our principal sir, though he is not here. He is the chairman and president of this workshop, who has granted permission to initiate a workshop. Thank you, sir, though you are not here. And I want to thank in a very special way our Madam Gauri Chakraborty for having anchored the program so beautifully. And our colleagues, all the colleagues, teaching, non-teaching staffs, আপনারা সবাই এখানে দীর্ঘ সময়ের জন্য সময় দিয়ে বসে আছেন। Thank you so much for listening. And to you, my dear students, keep in mind, skill is the only hope for our future. If you are not skilled, you cannot be employed in future. So you have to be skilled. Three things in life: knowledge, skill, and attitude. When you have knowledge, when you are skilled, and you have the positive attitude, you can definitely become someone better in the future. Now, we will all rise for national anthem, and we will conclude the session. Please rise.